Step 1 is optional, but if the car is new to you, or if you no longer need the old codes, aka you've moved, go ahead and push the 1 and 3 buttons simultaneously for about 15 to 20 seconds, and it will ultimately clear the old codes. Once you have cleared the old codes, decide which Homelink button you want to program, and press and hold that desired button until the LED begins to flash slowly. I've chosen to program button 3, and you can see that when I select it, the Audi asks me if this is the button I would like to program. When I select yes, the Homelink LED blinks much faster. The next step is to have Audi grab the code off your garage door remote. Exit the vehicle and put the garage door remote about 6 to 12 inches in front of the grille and press and hold the button. When Audi grabs the code, you'll see the hazards blink 3 times like they just did there. If you have a fixed door code, congratulations, you're done. When you enter back into the vehicle, the LED should be solid and you should be able to open and close the garage door with the Homelink button. If you have a newer garage door opener, it is most likely rolling code. When you re-enter the vehicle, you'll see that the Homelink LED will be blinking, and you need to perform additional steps. The first step is to use a ladder, or something similar, Mad Hops if you got them, and find your Learn button on your garage door. So this is my Chamberlain, and the Learn button is right there. Once I select it, I have 60 seconds to perform the next steps that need to happen. Upon entering the vehicle, I'm going to repress the same button that I was programming for about 2 seconds repeatedly until it grabs the code. Notice in the bottom of the screen, my garage door blinks, indicating that it has the right code. Once the rolling code has been learned, the Homelink LED should also turn off, and you should be able to open and close your garage door like such. Newer Audis will even ask if the garage door is moving. When you indicate yes, it will save the code and tell you that it's been successful.